Hello, welcome to the sixth module of the course Footwear Making, and we'll be talking about boot making and specialized footwear. Boot making and specialized footwear. Boots represent the pinnacle of protective and durable footwear, and it's designed to handle demanding conditions that standard shoe cannot. Unlike slippers, sandals, or even regular shoes, boots extend above the ankle, providing enhanced support, protection, and stability. The module explores the specialized world of boot making, from understanding their unique structure to creating or constructing military-grade footwear. We will learn about the critical components, advanced reinforcement techniques, and finishing methods that ensure boots are not only functional but also comfortable and long-lasting. What makes boot different? Boots are designed for specific purpose that demands superior performance. And key reasons for making boots include for protection, that is, boots shield the feet and ankle from physical hazard, um, environmental elements like water, cold, and also occupational risks like chemical heavy loads. And it also provides support. The extended upper design provides crucial ankle support, preventing injuries during walking, running, and also labor-intensive tasks on even terrain. Durability is another one. That is, boots are constructed with heavy-duty material and reinforced um, techniques to be able to withstand heavy wear, harsh condition, and also repeated use. And the last reason is for aesthetics, and this deals with beyond functions. Fashion boots contribute to personal style while maintaining structural integrity. Let's look at the structure of a boot. When we talk about structure of a boot, it's actually more of anatomy of a boot, which is essential for effective construction. And we'll start with the upper, which encases the foot and also extend above the ankle. The first is vamp, which is the front part of covering the top of the foot, providing structure. And you can see it in the diagram also. We have the quarter, which is the side and the back of the boot, um, side and back of the boot, contributing to stability and shape. We also have the counter, and this actually a reinforced piece at the heel for durability and support. We have the tongue, which is a protective piece under the laces that prevents frictions and enhances comfort. We have the collar, which is the padded area around the top opening, providing cushioning and also support to the ankle. Looking at the internal and lower structure or components of a boot, we have the lining, which provides comfort, moisture control, and also insulation, and can include waterproof membrane or thermal insulation for extreme conditions. We also have the insole footbed, and this deals with or support the foot and provides cushioning, and often ergonomically shaped for comfort during prolonged wear. We also have the midsole, which act as a shock absorber between the insole and outsole, providing additional cushioning. And material include the EVA, a polyurethane or rubber. And we have the outsole also, and this is actually the bottom part that contacts the ground, designed for traction, durability, and stability. And the material include the rubber, the TPU, and also or the leather. Another is the heel, which provides elevation rather, and stability. And work boots have reinforced heels. Fashion boots may have stock or decorative heels. Looking at reinforcement and fastening, reinforcement is actually critical for boots durability and safety. And when we talk about reinforcement, we talk about toe cap, which is a protective element. in work or safety boots to prevent injuries from impact. We also have the shanks, which is rigid inserts placed in between the insole and outsole that provides arc support and structural integrity, preventing excessive blending. We also have the stitching and bonding, and reinforcing and high strength adhesive ensures components stay connected under stress. We have for fastening and closure, we have the lace, we have the zipper, we have the buckles or strap. For lace, it allows for an adjustable, secure fit and also provide ankle support. The zipper offer quick wear and remover, and we have the buckle or strap, which is used for aesthetics and functional purpose in fashion boots. Looking at the military boots, they are actually the ultimate example of specialized footwear designed to meet the rigorous demand of armed forces personnel. And key design principles include durability, protection, support, comfort and ergonomics, um, traction and grip, which deals with deep rooted and slip-resistant outsoles for stability on all surface. The next is the breathability and moisture management as a principle. It is with moisture weakened lining and also breathable material to be able to prevent blister. And the last one is weight management, and this deals with durable yet lightweight enough to allow mobility. We have types of boots, military boots, and these include combat boots, jungle boots, desert boots, and winter or Arctic boots. When we talk about combat boots, it's designed for frontline combat and also rough terrain. For jungle boots, it's lightweight and breathable with drainage vents in the sole and hopper to expel water quickly in wet, humid environment. We have desert boots also made with lighter material, often in sand or teal color, with ventilated design to prevent overheating in hot, arid climate. And we also have the winter or Arctic boots, which is heavily insulated and waterproof, designed to provide warmth and protection in extreme cold and snowy condition. In constructing boots, there are step-by-step to be followed, steps to be followed. These include pattern drafting, cutting and preparation. When you finish the drafting of pattern, then you move to the cutting and preparation um, of leather, synthetic, and also reinforcement. The edge are finished and skived for flexibility. Then we move to the upper assembly, that is the stitching of the vamp, the cutter stone, and also the lining together. And reinforcements are also integrated in this. And the next is lasting, which is pulling the assembled upper over a last to achieve the correct shape and fit. This is critical for support. The next is sole attachment, which deals with fixing the outsole using adhesive, stitching, or a combination for maximum durability. And the last one is finishing, which is trimming edges, polishing, applying waterproof treatment, and also final inspection. For reinforcement, we have the techniques for durability. Techniques for durability. Reinforcement is what gives boots their legendary durability, and these techniques focus on high stress area. And these include the use of strong material, double and triple stitching. Um, there is also the toe cap and overlay where steel or composite cap are inserted for protection. And you also have the shank and midsole insert. This is rigid shank provides arc support and also prevent excessive bending, including increasing the boot's lifespan. And also we have the adhesive reinforcement And lastly, we have the edge binding. The edge binding. Looking at the heart of finishing boots, finishing is the final, crucial stage that enhances both the aesthetics and also functionality of the boot. And when we talk about this, we talk about the edge finishing, where we talk about trimming the edge, the leather, the sole, and everything. And the next is polishing and dyeing. Is part of finishing also for the boot. The next is sole and heel finishing, where sole are trimmed to match the boot outline perfectly, and comfort enhancement also, where insole are padded and contoured, and collar and tug are smoothened and padded to prevent friction. And the final is the final inspection. Last is the final inspection, where each boot is inspected for symmetry, stitching, integrity, sole adhesion, and also overall finishing before being deemed complete. The quality control and testing for the boots. For specialized footwear like boots, quality control is paramount. It ensures safety and performance. The key quality control stages include the raw material inspection, the process monitoring, where we check patterns accuracy, stitching integrity, and also lasting smoothness at each stage. And the last stage is the reinforcement verification in ensuring toe cap, the high heel counters, and shanks are correctly placed and secured. We have the testing method. Um, for this, it includes wear testing, that is simulating real life conditions to test comfort and durability. Another is the tensile testing, where we talk about the checking now, when we talk about checking the strength of seam and bond, and also we talk about sole adhesion test, that is ensuring that the sole is permanently and securely attached. And the last one is final inspection, which is a comprehensive check for symmetry, fit, and overall quality before it is being approved. In conclusion, the module has taken you into the specialized world of boot making, where footwear is engineered for protection, durability, and also performance. And you have learned the unique structure and components of boots and how they differ from standard shoes. You've explored the demanding design principle of boots, military boots, and the specialized type of various environments. You've mastered reinforcement techniques that are the key to boot longevity and safety. And by understanding the rigorous finishing and the quality control processes, you are now equipped to create boots that meet the highest professional standard. This knowledge positions you to produce specialized footwear suitable for demanding environments, from construction sites to military operations, and also open up advanced opportunity in the footwear industry. Thank you.